Hey there, it's Eric Evenstad with BootstrapBizGrowth.com, and in this video I want to talk about how to start to build a really great relationship with your email list. How do you start to turn those email subscribers that you've worked so hard to get to join your list, how do you turn those people into paying customers? And so the key here is you really just want to add a ton of value. Your whole focus should just be adding value after value after value after value to your list. You want to send out helpful tips, helpful tricks, tools, anything that you can do, advice, show your expertise and help them along their journey. If you can help them get what they want, they're going to start to know you, they're going to start to trust you, and once they trust you and like you, they're going to buy from you. So when somebody joins your list, add value for as long as you can. The goal here is just to send 5, 6, 7, 8 emails with nothing but value add. No offers, no pitches, nothing. Just adding value and helping them get to where they want to go. And then eventually you can start to work in those emails with offers and pitches. And when you do that, you're going to have a much higher likelihood of converting and getting them to actually open up their wallet and give you money for your products and services, because they do already know you, they already like you, and they already trust you, and they've seen the type of advice that you give and how much that you've already helped them with your free offers, your free advice, your free tips, your free tools. Well, if you keep giving them all of that, then your sales pitches are going to look really, really good, and they're probably going to buy. So that's how you get the most bang for your buck from your email list. You need to protect this list. Don't let anybody else email your list. Protect it like it's your most valuable asset, because it just might be. If you treat your list right, if you add that value, if you build that trust, your email list is going to make you money for years and years and years to come. So that's the key. Just add value. Focus on helping these people out and make your emails interesting. Make it so that they open them, make it so they read them. If you do that, you're going to have a lot of success in the long run with your email marketing strategy. I hope this quick little video has been helpful. I hope it inspires you to go out and just create these value add emails. It doesn't take a lot of time. Send out an email a day, send out an email a week, an email a month. It really doesn't matter. Just get consistent with it. Get in the habit of sending out these emails so that people know who you are and they can start to build this trust over time. If you have found value from this video, I'd love it if you would give us a thumbs up, share it with anybody else that might need a little bit of email marketing inspiration, and I'd love it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the big red button down below. Get all of our videos. We're pumping out a ton of fresh content about how to build a business on a budget. So we talk about affordable marketing strategies that actually work. We talk about outsourcing and freeing up time to focus on more valuable tasks. We talk about productivity, helpful tools and tips. All of that is covered in our YouTube channel, so please subscribe, get notified about our videos coming out, and until next time, thanks for watching.